Was mentioning you have these wet leaves now down on the ground. So, Eric, that makes it extra slippery out there.
Yeah, we had all this foliage really starting to come along this week, but with that heavy rainfall and some gusty winds tomorrow, a lot of that's going to start coming down. So just be extra cautious out there traveling tonight. It's kind of the first evening we've had that kind of a setup. Rain totals over an inch in several towns already this evening. Tropical atmosphere again. When it rains, it pours, and it's raining just about everywhere across southern New England. Right now, it's more of a steady light to moderate rain from coastal New Hampshire and heading down across Essex County. Steady rainfall Boston westward along the Pike to Worcester, all of central Mass and Metro West. The rain continues to fall. Some heavier downpours across Nantucket and heading up toward Cape Cod. And we'll be in this for several more hours. It's all at the very fringe of Tropical Storm Michael. A lot of that moisture getting pushed up the eastern seaboard and squeezed out here in southern New England. It's still a tropical storm with 50-mile-per-hour winds. They're having quite a bit of significant flooding in Virginia and North Carolina this evening, a place that is already very waterlogged, of course. Also been watching a front throughout the course of the day today, just sagging southward. In the cool side, very calm, very chilly. To the south side, you've got gustier winds and much warmer temperatures. 70s have been the story across southeastern Mass today. Meanwhile, it's 60 in Boston, 58 in Lawrence, 56 in Manchester. Mild across western Mass. We're going to kind of see this squeeze throughout the overnight. So it stays cool here north and east. It stays mild to the south and east. We also have our flash flood watch. It stays up through tomorrow morning. Most of us getting 1 to 3 inches of total rain from this event. But across the Cape Cod area, Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, I think there's a 3 to 6 inch rain potential, with a lot of that rain coming early tomorrow morning. So here's our timeline. Scattered areas of rain and some downpours out there this evening. I think the severe weather risk is pretty low from here on out. And then as we head toward early tomorrow morning, right around daybreak, Michael's making its closest pass. And on the fringe of it, some real heavy tropical rain is possible. That's going to move up across the southeastern corner of the state, so around Buzzards Bay, Cape Cod, the islands. This is where we could have quite a bit of road flooding tomorrow morning. Use a lot of caution. Avoid any flooded out roads. I think if you're north and west of Boston, we'll be staying dry tomorrow morning, but cloudy skies. As we approach lunchtime, that heavy rain will start to move offshore to the east, and then quickly Michael pulls away, and we'll get into the sunshine during the afternoon and early evening. We'll also see the winds pick up. You'd think with a coastal storm there'd be onshore winds, but our strongest winds are offshore tomorrow. They start picking up early in the morning. We'll see some gusts 30 to as high as 50 miles per hour in far southeastern Massachusetts, with those strongest wind gusts on Nantucket for tomorrow. Again, a few up to 50 will be possible there. High temps about 60 to 65. It'll actually feel kind of bright and breezy and pretty nice outside during the afternoon once the storm moves away. Saturday, we start gray and chilly and some rain showers in the morning. I do think there's a chance we could break into some sunshine during the afternoon and early evening and drying out on Saturday night. Sunday, a mix of sunshine and high clouds and overall a peaceful fall day expected there. So low to mid 50s on Saturday, really gray, really cool start. Hopefully some later day sunshine, and then bright conditions on Sunday in the 50s. Looks great for the Pats and the Chiefs, falling back into the 40s as we get into that game. And then for the ALCS, no weather issues, just chilly conditions at Fenway both Saturday night and Sunday night. And the 7-day all of a sudden looks a lot like fall. It took a while to get here, but all of a sudden it's all 50s and 60s, no 70s, no 80s, no tropical humidity over the next 7 days. David and Paula, back to you.
That's good. All right, Eric, thanks so much.